So let's start create project. Visible light, and now fruit tree. Yeah, fruit tree demo. Select folders. It's same like orange. Maybe next video I will show with the avocado. There we go. So most important thing, select the agriculture and check on 2D. You must change here fruit tree. Okay, resolution height is recommended. Then we can start reconstruction. So we wait for some time. Reconstruction is complete. We go agriculture application. Yes, fruit tree demo. Okay. Now this is automatic AI recognition. For mission planning, the most important thing is modify results. Click. So different from feed crops, which has only other object, but here is also come with fruit trees. Others is it's not spray area. Here fruit tree is a spray area, so you need to click the fruit tree for the trees. Okay, so press Control, select the brush size, paint as a trees, save it. Size continuous or spot. Today video is continuous. In the continuous there are 4 methods. Either distance enable, so every distance one fly path, or the tree crown center. Select the drone flies one center to another. So click to tree crown center. So modify result. Select the trees. As long as you can pick the center, the drone will fly in the center. Okay, so once modification is complete, you can simply click save. If you want to know the tree count, how many trees you have to spray, you can simply make a boundary. For example, for this plot, cover everything. So you can check how many trees. 939 trees. If you want to spray 1 liter per trees, you will require 939 liter of solution, the chemicals and water, right? Oh yeah, plan, select, and generate it. Let's say for D100, 4 meter. Terrain photo accuracy must be 1 to smooth. Look, I want to follow this tree line, then I can switch to the raw angle to go. Okay, this is quite good. Back to edit, and the next, the right click to this deselect, and the next is continuous tree crown center. Click and generate. So you will see it. How is the tree crown center in double? The drone going like this, so it's not really good if the tree crown center automatic. Instead of this, I will recommend to use if you want to spray tree crown center to tree crown center, I would recommend the semi-automatic line. You can pick any place you want to start, from here or from there. It's up to you. My takeoff point here, I will start my mission here. Pick. I prefer this way in the real operation scenario. So I will start from here, I will end here. Generate 1, yes, and this 4. I'll connect the fly straight to one end to another, and it will spray everywhere. You can add 1 point. You can add a point. No, and you have to move so that you can see the full point. Yeah, then you can bring back. Okay, so don't be panic when you accidentally delete some points. You can move that way. So now your drone will fly too fast and too safe. Wow, safe. Activity. Once you done save, you can upload to cloud, then you can download from remote controller, or you can export to SD card and you can transfer from SD card. It's very simple, right? Manual and semi-auto is quite similar things. Anyway, see you in the next video with sports brain mission. Bye bye.